we made it through second round, guys. Good job. I got the yawn. It's okay. I know it's getting late. It's already 12 o'clock. So we made it through second round. Car run pretty good. We did the shock adjustments. I took a little bit of boost off of it. And Milton was right. It mostly went through. You said it smelled. I didn't look at the video real good. It not as bad, though. So the dip didn't affect it as much. So that's good. So, I mean, that's what we were trying to do. We did turn up the leaf just a little bit, too. So it did go, it went 3 numbers faster to the 60 foot. So, I mean, it wasn't like a rocket, but it was better. But it did pick up the front left tire. So that was good. So I'm gonna just show y'all this data log real fast. Look at this, this Hughes converter. That right there is my shift point. I had it shifting at 6,000 RPM, and that right there was 6,200 at like 1.5 seconds. So the converter the Hughes converter is definitely easier on the tire. So I'm definitely happy about that. So I think we made a right choice in going with Hughes. I appreciate Pete and Eric Mans hooking me up and getting me that thing, set. Now, I know they do a lot of converters for a lot of fast guys, and I think they're on to something. So Kendall, I know, has one. Bobby Parks has got one. So there's quite a few people that's got them. So we're gonna see what happens this next round. We're down to 3 cars. We ended up with 16, so I guess one's broke. Milton just went up there and pulled for us, and we got Block over there. Block is here making some good passes. 16 cars. I mean, we did it as cash days, $50 entry fee, like $800 purse, man. That's good. That's awesome. That's good. Like always, I mean, if the buy-in is low for these, little local events, you'll always have more cars. So, I'm happy with that. I mean, we were just planning on coming down here and testing. So Block is cooling his down over there now. So he said he needed just a few minutes. We just got ours cooled down. The only thing I did is 200 more RPM in the shifter. So to I'm trying to we got the right lane this time, not the left. So I'm going to try to get past that concrete patch. I mean, from what it's saying, that might be a bad spot. A lot of people are spinning because it comes up and then goes down. So we'll fix that try. Here we go, going into the semifinals. All right, so here we go. We just rolled up for the semifinals. We got to race Block over here. Y'all know Block. All right, sir, you gonna take it easy on me?
Oh shit, you better take it easy on me.
Oh, come on.
Hey, just be safe.
Hey, yes, sir. This will be a good race. I haven't made a pass in the right lane yet, so this will be my first one. Yeah. You got this thing flying. It sounds like a freaking big motor choo-chooing down through
540. There. That's all it is. 540.
I like it. You got lots of torque. Hey, what? You said you started a YouTube channel too?
Yeah, Block Motorsports YouTube.
Gotcha. Y'all go check them out. Good luck, sir. Be careful.
Good race, brother.
Yes, sir, man. Good.
Hey, that lane jump, didn't it? Nope.
That was my first pass in that lane.
I made a hit in it earlier, and I got to that transition and me up. I've been lucky to be in the same lane all night. So
yeah, that's what I slowed down a half a second.
Gotcha. Well,
yeah,
hey,
congrats, man.
Don't forget June here Friday. The Run What You Brung is on Friday.
Doing the buy-in.
200. I think it's 250. But a 15. All I need is 15 cars, and I'm paying 5,000.
All right, guys. Well, that right lane threw us for a loop a little bit. I mean, it wasn't terrible. It slowed down. It slowed back down 3 numbers to the 60 foot. Got out there to that transition, and it just kicked the tires, and it kicked them pretty hard. You can see I did raise the shift point just a tad, but it made it. It made it to 2.5 seconds, and then I had to pedal it. I got back on it, and then it was kind of all over the place. And at that point, he had a great 60 foot. His car had already took off, and if you look at the footage, he was out on me probably about a car before I spun. And then when it spun, it was terrible. It slowed down a half a second, 1/2 second. It's amazing what spinning will do. So it slowed down. I mean, it slowed down a half a second. Mile per hour was off 30, but 30 mile per hour off. That's pretty good. But all right, we're gonna ride up there one more time. Like I said, we were down here testing. Our main goal is to get on this rough stuff here and see if it's going to behave any better. So they're fixing to do the finals, and then we're going to do our burnout, and we're going to roll past all that crap, the starting line, and get to the rough stuff and see if we can duplicate that 60 foot. I don't know if it's going to do it or not, but we're going to try it. All right, here goes your final. All right, y'all ready, mate? I was down there running my mouth. I'm sorry. So we'll just do the burnout like we were talking about, and then we'll just roll up to the rough stuff, and then I'll go on trans brake and just leave.
How far you want to go out?
Till we roll off of that asphalt. We need to get on this stuff here and see if it'll take it. All right. Okay, well, that didn't take it near. That shows you the difference. That really shows you the difference between a smooth surface and a rough surface. That rough surface just got us. We didn't change anything on the tune-up, and it slowed down 0.3 of a second to 60 foot. And you can see tire smoke. Wheel speed was just way off the charts, so it just didn't work out. So later, man. Drive careful. We were down here to test to see if it would take that kind of power. Now, granted, my tires, I got to get some new tires. These have about 20 passes on them or so now. So these tires are coming off. Tried to leave. It was the same tune-up that we left with on the smooth stuff, and it took it and run halfway decent. But this rough stuff, man, it just got way too much wheel speed. And the car, it was pulling good. It was actually pulling down track. And you can see on the RPM log, the RPM was it was tapering off, and you know, so you can see the wheel speed was accelerating the car, but it was still way too much wheel speed. It smoked them the whole way. Show it is. So the whole 1/8 of a mile. But okay, so we're going off the trailer at Darlington in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, May 14th and 15th. We'll be back out there. It's gonna be a good time. We're gonna have fun, and so hopefully we can go some more rounds. Pull a beater bomb and build us a butt hurt bar. We could do that. Yeah, they're banning it, but Corey and them have not banned it yet. But I mean, it's, you know, it's just one of those things. And they've got a parachute mount up here that's got a pretty good amount of weight on it. Them boys are freaking carrying the front wheels like at 60 foot. I mean, their stuff is just working. Ours is not doing that. So we might have to put a little bit more weight on it back here in the back and see if we can get it to work better. All right, guys. Well, overall, very happy. We had fun. We had a blast. We got down to 3 cars, got outrun by Block in impromptu cash days. So that was fun. He just loaded up, heading back. He's got a race out here in June, he said, also. So that'll be from the tree side down at the starting line. So hopefully, you know, he has a good turnout for that. But we're fixing to head out. It's what, 1 o'clock? Milton wants Waffle House so bad he can't stand it. There's not a Waffle House close by, but there is a Huddle House. So we might have to hit a Huddle House. We ain't racing tomorrow with Randy's. They ended up canceling that race we were planning to go to at Northeast. So, yeah. All right, guys, we out of here. I appreciate y'all coming and helping. Thanks a ton. And we'll see y'all soon. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Later.